Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. It is pandemic pressure that is putting life at stake. Life is in danger. Yesterday, more than 1,300 people were declared as COVID positive in the entire UT of J&K. Dear students, these pandemics have been part and parcel of our lives since ages ago. These pandemics come and vanish. But the important thing is that we need to keep precautionary measures in mind while there are the days of pandemic. So COVID-19, a novel virus, still is being studied, and these scientists or virologists are still unsuccessful in finding vaccine for it. So better is to remain in home isolation, and whatever the precautions are being issued by the state machinery or health department, we should follow these in letter and spirit, these precautionary to save our lives first. Dear student, yesterday a student from Zafarkani called me, a student from a class 10th, to make me learn Griffin as a scientist. This is taken from their text lesson of class 10th, Footprints Without Feet. How you can assess Griffin as a scientist, or how you can measure Griffin as a scientist. Dear student, now students, no doubt Griffin was a brilliant scientist. No doubt he carried out an experiment and discovered a rare drug by which by swallowing the same drug, a man's body becomes as transparent as the sheet of glass. And he also made a discovery by which a man can turn invisible, turning off the clothes and he can turn invisible. But dear students, it simply means he was a brilliant scientist in his field, or we can say the scientific knowledge he was possessing a lot. So, in terms of scientific gain or scientific knowledge or scientific knowledge possession, he was a brilliant man. He was a great man. He was a balanced guy. He was a learned guy. But at the same time, he misused his scientific discovery. The landlord disliked him and finally ejected him from the home. In revenge, he set fire to his house in order to escape from the sentence, escape from that very spot. He used the same scientific invention or same scientific discovery to escape from the sentence, because he turned now a thief. How turned he a thief? Because in revenge he put fire to his house. That means he done a blunder, or he became a culprit or an offender. So, in order to escape, he used his scientific discovery in a bad way. Thus, we can say he was a brilliant scientist, not a very good man. Their students' ultimate aim of education is to humanize the society. There are wild instances present in a man, but we should minimize these things. We should learn humanity. We should promote humanity. But after discovering a rare drug by which a man's body becomes as transparent as the sheet of glass, and man can turn invisible, so it was a brilliant discovery. In this sense, in one side he was a brilliant scientist, but on the next hand he was not a very good man. He misused his scientific discovery in revenge. In revenge. So he lacked some things, that is the ethics and morality. No doubt he was an intelligent man, but the morality he lacks. For example, if a doctor gets degree or gets degree after topping a university, or having very good knowledge in his profession. I'm talking about a doctor. He operates a person. He does many twisted or hard surgeries. So he is a very good man in his field. He's a very expert in his field. But at the same time, if the same doctor operates a person and removes a kidney and sells it for the material gain for money, this the no doubt he's a brilliant in his job, but morally he lacks humanity. He lacks ethics. His moral is not good. So in the same way, Griffin was a brilliant scientist. Griffin was no doubt a brilliant scientist, but he was not a very good man. He misused his scientific discovery in revenge. So, concluding the fact, the Griffin can be assessed or measured as a good scientist but a bad man. So, it's all about the Griffin as a scientist. He was a very good scientist, no doubt, but he lacked morality, ethics, and human instincts. Their students, it's all about the measurement or assessment of Griffin as a scientist. But before leaving the class, I'm advising you to see these things on your available textbook of English or reference book of English. Better is to read its Urdu translation there, because in most of the reference books of class 10th English, there are Urdu translation given, and you must read that Urdu translation so that you can grasp the things well. Your examinations are approaching fast. Better is to remain in home isolation, stick to the book so that you can crack the coming examination with a nice percentage of marks, and your future would be bright and flourishing. Thanks. Be balanced.